What's up? How's it going? My name is Jay and welcome to my channel. I am a Fijian Indian YouTuber. I live in New Zealand. I make travel vlogs, I make makeup vlogs and vlogging in general. And hi! Okay, so today I'm just going to show you my makeup base, how I would usually do a very quick base to get out of the house, or if I'm going out to a party or something and I'm running late, this is how I'll do it. Only takes me probably 5 minutes without talking and I'm done. That's it. Easy, simple. Let's get to it. Hope you are well. So we're going to start off with this. This is a Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Gel. I always use this every morning before my makeup or even without makeup, just to hydrate.
And I guess love to watch the way you meet.
Next we've got this Olay cream, my OG, use it every day as well.
Made me into a mess.
Even if I don't put makeup on, these are the two things that I always put on.
Hands on my dress, neon red.
Okay, and usually I'd put on my neck as well, but wearing turtleneck today. Now we're gonna put this primer on.
You were everything I didn't need until you left. Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought of you and I, when you were mine.
Straight onto foundation.
See your eyes in every stranger. I replay the way that we were.
So you put the foundation here. Just about 2.5 pumps of it.
Till I'm high. No, it's not right.
Use this brush.
I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had. Oh, I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like
you have all heard blending is key, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to blend away.
you used to. Know you're gone.
Now in my everyday life I use this brush because it's a lot faster to use. With a beauty blender you kind of consistently have to keep dabbing and it takes a lot longer. I like to just do this and run away, do my things, you know.
You probably just forgot
Just one more pump of this foundation. Same one.
me, yeah, you're moving on. But I can't let go, 'cause I'm still sleeping with the moments, lying with your ghost.
So obviously this year I can't travel that much. Basically just been working the whole of last year. COVID has taken over our lives and I'm sure it's changed a lot of your lives too. Personally, I still go to work. I do live in New Zealand, so thankfully we haven't had it as bad. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We can't change much of it, but what we can do is, you know, learn to deal with it in different ways. And look, a lot of people think, oh yeah, it's COVID, I can't do anything, it's the end of the world. This is a time you can plan stuff, you can stay home, you can do things with your family, you can better yourself. This is a time, you know, like you're not just traveling and, you know, pushing away any responsibility or anything. This is the time to kind of sit back and realize, okay, what do I have at home, what can I utilize, and what can I do around here. So
Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought
I'm
of
showing you how I would just do my base real quick.
and you're not mine. But
That was my big highlighter. Now we're gonna use this blush. Smash.
I miss you missing me like you used to, yeah, like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You know the good things are never as good as the bad, and your love is better than anything I've ever had.
So if I was ending my foundation look right here, the only thing I would put on is this, and then I would set it with this setting powder here, Deep Banana. I like the yellow tone because it kind of brightens my face up. White ones like this, and you can get peach ones like this as well. So I hope you like that look. Stay tuned for my next video. I swear to God, no one wants me to make this video today because I've been trying to make this video for the last 3 days, but people have decided to do their housework, people have decided to talk really loudly outside, people have decided to fix their house, people have decided to do the road work. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, all that good jazz. Jay out.
I guess I love to